Stack applications, the first one, check balancing of symbols. Okay, see, if I have an expression with me, something like a plus b minus c plus d. If I have an expression like this, you have to check whether the brackets, the symbols, right, symbols here, symbols means those brackets, okay, whether the brackets are matching properly or not. Okay, your compiler uses this, whatever compiler you are using, maybe C compiler, C++ compiler, it uses this concept. Whenever you write a program, that program is being checked for the balancing of the symbols. See, if there is a round open bracket, there should be a closed bracket here. Then again, if there is a round one, there should be a closed one like this. Okay, suppose I have something in flower bracket a plus b minus in square bracket c minus d like this, and I kept a round bracket here. See, here the opening is flower and the closing is a round bracket, flower bracket and round bracket. This is not matching. Okay, this is the problem actually, verifying whether an expression has balancing of symbols or not, especially for these brackets. Okay, balancing of the symbols. So you can even give like this: open, flower close, then square open, again round, then this close and this. See, this is valid expression. Why? I have one open, then I have close. I have one flower, again close flower. Square bracket is there, close square is there. Round open, round close. Right? So we use this stack data structure to do the balancing of symbols, check whether the symbols are properly balanced or not. For that we will be using this. Right? Where is this used? Suppose in C programming, you are writing the logic of your in any language, you are writing the logic of leap year. So generally leap year you will be writing if that y modulo 4 is equal to 0 and y modulo 100 not equal to 0, you will put this in bracket. After that you will put or symbol, again you will put a bracket, y modulo 400 equal to 0. This full entirely you will be putting in another bracket, and you will put here if. So if y modulo 4 is equal to 0, this is the leap year logic actually. So y modulo 100 not equal to 0. See, you are having so many brackets. Why compiler throws you error when you write when you miss this? Suppose if you miss this, compiler will throw error saying that this is opened and it's not closed. So compiler does the one step in one process in that whole big compiler is that balancing of the symbols, in the sense balancing of these brackets, whether they are properly opened or closed or not. Okay, so that is the first application we are trying to see in the stacks. So let's see what is this, right? So stacks can be used to check whether the given express has balanced symbols or not. This algorithm is very useful in compilers. Okay, compiler internally uses this stacks concept to check the balancing of the symbols. What happens here? Each time the parser reads one character at a time. Maybe let us take a simple example. I have something like this, a simple expression, round bracket, then square open, square close, and another round bracket. Each time the parser will read one character at a time. If the character is an opening delimiter such as round, flower or square, then it is written to the stack. So what happens here? When I encounter the first character, what is this? It's a round. So whenever it's an opening delimiter, I will put that into then it is written to the stack. So I kept this here in the stack. Now when a closing delimiter is encountered, okay, the stack is popped. So what will happen here? I got open round bracket, then open square bracket, like this I got. Then what happens next? I encountered a closing delimiter here. Then what we have to do? Pop the stack. So when I encounter a closing or a square bracket, I have to, whatever is on the top of the stack, I have to pop it out. I will pop it out. So what was that popped element? Open bracket. Now compare the opening and closing delimiter. That's what I have compared. Open and there is a corresponding close. They both are belong to same family, that is square brackets. Right? If they match, parsing of the string continues. If they match, I will continue forward. Then the next element is close bracket. Whenever there comes and close bracket, what we have to do? You have to pop the stack, top of the stack. What will I get? I get this open round bracket, and I encountered close round bracket. Are they matching? Yes, they are matching. Okay, like this you have to keep repeating until the stack becomes empty, and or until you iterate over the string. Okay, these symbols are given as a string input, right? So if they do not match, you can say that there is some error in the program. Okay, if they don't match. So this is about balancing of symbols. What is the algorithm here? Let us see the algorithm of this very simple problem. We will implement this and see. Right. So create a stack. Okay, I will write. You can use any implementation, maybe array implementation also fine, because we will use array implementation frequently, because our logic is to check whether this logic is working or not. Our goal is to check whether this is working or not. I will take an array stack with me till end of the input. So I will read a string. I will read a string expression equal to, in double quotes, round, square, flower, flower, square, and like this. I will do this. Okay. Now, if the character red is not a symbol to be balanced, ignore it. Maybe there is expression is like this, a plus b, like this. Okay. In this case, sometimes we get a, sometimes we get plus, sometimes we get b, right? So if the character red, whichever character I am getting from that expression, if it is not a symbol, then ignore it, ignore that. Second point, if the character is an opening symbol like this, that is round, square, or flower bracket, then push it onto the stack, insert that into the stack. If it is a closing symbol, if it is a closing symbol, then if the stack is empty, report an error. If this is a closing one and if the stack is empty, report error. Otherwise, pop this stack. Pop this stack means stack will have this open. Then you can know if the symbol popped is not the corresponding opening symbol. If I suppose I had a like this, I had this, but this is a closing symbol, but when I popped out, I got a square opening. So when they are not matching, report an error. Okay. Again, at the end of the input, if the stack is not empty, again report error. Why? After balancing it, stack should be empty, no? See, when you are inserting expressions, I have something like this. So first I inserted the open round bracket, then open square brackets, then I inserted open flower bracket. So when I encountered close, I am popping out, I am checking whether they matching, yes. So this is gone now. Again, I encountered a close, then I am popping out, so this comes out, they are matching, so this also goes. Again they are close, this is fine. What if I had another round bracket here? What if I had another round bracket here? Or what if I had another open bracket here? This is not there. So in this case, like it will be like this. So the last one what I got is close. So I got a close. Okay, pop this stack. So when I pop it out, this goes away. So I get a open. Yes, this is also matching, fine. So I reach the end of the string, but the stack is not empty. How to verify whether the stack is empty or not? Top. If top is equal to -1, stack is empty. But here top is 0. There exists some element. Even after iterating over the entire characters, I still have some element in the stack. It means that is an illegal or incorrect balancing of the symbols. It is an incorrect expression. Okay. So this is the algorithm of how it happens. Let us say an example, we will try to see how we are trying to do this. If you understand this table, you get it very clearly, the tracing of the algorithm. I will just write it here. Again, there is a table already. So input symbol, right? Here it is input symbol, the operation what I am doing, and stack. Okay. The other one is again output not required, right? So you see the expression. What is the expression given to us? Open, close, round, again round, open, again round, open, close, square, round, open, close, square, close, and round, close, right? This is again a string. It is like a string expression. So I will take the first character, that is open bracket. What is the operation? Whenever I see open bracket, what I have to do? I have to do push operation. And what will my stack become? Stack becomes open, right? Then when I see the close operation, when I see the close operation, the operation you have to perform is pop. When I do pop, what will happen? This I have to delete this, no? So stack becomes empty here. Stack becomes empty. In that I will be putting one condition. What is the condition? If this open is matching with this close, then you can say you can proceed, otherwise you can throw error. Next one is again open. So you do the push operation. Okay. Again, so stack becomes open round. Again there is an open round. So again the next element, again you do push operation. So the stack becomes double open. Now the next character I got is close. Whenever I encounter a close, I have to do pop operation. So what I have to pop? I have to pop the topmost element. So this is erased now. Only one will be left. This is gone now. Check these two. Are they matching? Yes. Proceed. Proceed. So next. Now the current state is like this. So next element is square open. So square open has come. You have to push. So my stack becomes, already round is there. Square comes here. Again the next one is round open. Again you do push operation. My stack becomes round open, square open and round open. Then comes a close round bracket. So you do pop operation. When you, what happens, pop means you have to delete this one round operation. So my stack is left over like this. And are they matching? Yes, they are matching. So continue doing the process. Then comes close square bracket. So you have to push pop, because it is close bracket. You have to pop it. So the stack becomes like this and match both of them. Are they matching? Yes, they are matching. Open and close is matching. Proceed. Then comes the last round, that is close. So you have to again pop it. When there is a close round bracket, pop it. Compare these two. Are they matching? Yes. My stack becomes empty. So I have iterated over the entire string, and at the end the stack is empty. Therefore I can say this parameter is balancing, or this given expression is a balancing one. Otherwise you can say expression is balanced or brackets are balanced. Otherwise you say brackets are not balanced. Okay. So this is the working. Generally in if you are having theoretical exams, they ask you to draw this table and show how at each step, after iterating over this expression, after taking each input symbol, what operation you are performing and what is your stack, current stack. Okay, that way you can show this. That's what we have done just now, right? Take the input symbol round, then you have to push it. So stack became like this. If the close comes, pop, and if this both are matching, yes, then go. Next, again insert, keep doing it like this. At the end we have to make sure that my stack is empty. If stack is empty, after iterating over the entire string, if the stack is empty, I can say that I am done. So how do you write the program for this? How do you write program for this? Let's see the implementation. See, I am doing push and pop operation. It means I have to write code for the push operation, which we already written already, and you can write pop operation. So how do you read this input? Declare a string, read it as a string, some expression equal to double quotes, you can give this. After this, write one for loop. For some I equal to 0, I less than this length. So let that be expr dot length. Till that I have to iterate. Now what I have to do here? Okay. See, I am saying check whether they are matching or not, and also I am checking if it is open. How do I know? That's what. So simple logic is very simple. If the character, okay, how do I get the character? Let me declare a variable here. Char ch equal to expr of I. That is the first character. Here from this, the first character. If the character is equal to open, or character is equal to square open, or character is equal to flower open. In this case, what I have to do? I have to let me create a stack here. So I will create a stack int s of some 100. Okay, let it be any number, s of 100. So I will write s dot push of ch. So this ch means that open bracket will be pushed into that. After this, what we will have? Again, if ch is equal to, else if you can add, if ch is equal to close, or ch is equal to, you have to write multiple cases here, right? So else if ch is equal to close, then you do s dot pop, you do pop and check here itself if it is matching. If the popped element, let that be some pop element, pop, if that pop is matching with, if that pop element is matching with the CH element. What is the CH element? Now it will be closed, no, it will be close bracket. So if that is matching, you can continue the loop. Okay, that way we have to implement it. It's all about game of if else conditions. Okay, we will try to implement this and see how we are able to balance the symbols, right? Yeah. Let us see the implementation of balancing of symbols using stack. So, I will be again using here array implementation because my focus is not on focusing on the limitations of the array, but whether that string is being matched or not, that I want to see. So, since that is the easiest one, we can quickly go there and write. So, I will see hash include, then and I have to declare some global variables. So, I will write int s of some 100, okay. Yes, I can do that also, int top equal to -1. Why? Because I am using array implementation, so I will be doing that. Okay. Now, again I have to default write the push and pop operations. So, void push, because I am using stack to insert element. So, here we will not be pushing a integer, we will be pushing here character because that is a string, right. So, let me we are going to compare something like this, then round, then square, open round, square close and round close, this one. So, this is a kind of a string. So, at this time I will be putting here character some x, x, okay. So, I have to write the logic of push operation, same way I have to write the logic of pop operation, okay. And I should also display is not required here because I am not going to display my stack. I want to check only whether that expression which I gave is valid or not. So, int main, what I have to do here, maybe some string expr, I am declaring it. I can write enter the expression, then I can take C in expr, okay. I am taking the expression. Now, I have to call some function, okay. I have to write some function, maybe whether it is balanced or not. So, I will use bool data type here. In C++, we do have a bool data type, it will return true or false, that is 0 or 1. So, balanced, okay. What is the input for this? For this, the input will be the string which I am taking it. So, I am passing the string, that will be, I will be collecting it here. So, string, let us take str, okay. So, I have to implement this function as well. So, I will check here if, because it is a bool function, if balanced of expr, okay, not required because yeah, see out the given expression is balanced, right, or otherwise I can say that the given expression is not balanced, else see out right. So, quickly I will now do this push operation. We have to just check the condition if the top is greater than or equal to, okay, let me declare here another variable comma max equal to 100, since that I am taking it as 100. Now, this problem will be erased when you go for the class implementation, but with constructors, okay. If this is greater than or equal to, oh sorry, I have taken max, no, max minus 1, then you say, because I am inserting, then you say the stack is full, right, and L. Otherwise, what I have to do, it is very easy. The stack name is S of, again this is not integer, this is character because I am inserting characters, right, sorry. So, the stack should be character. So, this should be int max, okay. So, S of, I can write some plus top is equal to, S of plus top equal to What is that character? X. I am passing X, that I am putting it here. That's it. This is my insert operation. It will check no, if that is max minus 1, it is full, otherwise then again delete. For pop, what we have to do, again check if top is less than 0, throw a message saying that stack is empty. Else what I have to do, we have to delete the element. You have to delete the element. So see, but in this case I have to check it, right? In balanced, I have to pop that element and compare with the beginning. So I have to return this. I'll put it here char. Why? Because I want to return the character. I want to return the character. Okay. So if the stack is empty, I will simply say this. Else I have to return. What I have to return? The top element. How do I get the top element? S of top minus minus. So first S of top will be returned and then it will do minus minus. Okay. So this is my pop. Why I am doing this character here? Because I have to compare, in my logic of balancing the strings, I have to compare the popped element with the element of the stack. Element of the stack I have to compare. Top element of the stack with the popped element I have to compare. So let's see what is this balanced string. What I have to do here, we are receiving a string str, that is the expression which I am giving here. So I will write for some int I equal to 0, I less than, I have to iterate, right? So str dot length, whatever is the string length, till that I have to iterate I plus plus. What we have to do it here? See, declare a variable. Did we declare ch anywhere? No. Char ch is equal to expr of I. Oh, sorry, str, no, str of I. So now ch contains the first character. Simply write the logic of if else conditions. Okay, ch contains the first character. If that ch is equal to single quote this one, oh, okay, like this, or that ch is equal to single quote, sorry, flower, or ch is equal to single quote open this square, sorry, open square bracket, like this. If in these three cases, what we have to do in these three cases, okay, you have to do push operation, push of ch, that's it. I am inserting the element into the stack. I am calling push function here. So ch is being received here and that will be put into the stack. Okay. Next, this is over. Now what I have to do? Else if, okay, I think no, if you make it more readable, sorry. Sorry. Right. Else if. Now what I have to do, what is the second case? I may encounter some close brackets also, right? Again write else if ch is equal to single quote close bracket, or ch is equal to close flower, or ch is equal to close square. Okay. In this case what I have to do, I have to pop the element, and I have to check it. Okay, I have to pop the element and compare it with the top element. So for that first I will pop it. So let me capture that in the pop element. Some name I can I give pop? Yes, I can give pop here also. Pop of pop function, that's it. Oh, it looks confusing, no? The pop char. Let me say something. Right. So what I am doing here, see, when it is an opening bracket, insert into the stack. When it is a closing bracket, take away the topmost element on the delete that topmost element. Before deleting, I am copying that into this character. Why? I want to compare. This. Okay. How do I compare it? After taking this, you can write here. If after taking this, you can write it here. See, pop char contains the deleted element. Ch contains the current element. That is the close bracket, and this has to contain open bracket. That's why I'll compare here. If CH is equal to single quote open, CH is equal to what we say, this will contain the close, right? Yeah, this will, what will be there in stack when I am popping out, I will have the open bracket. So if CH equal to this and this pop char is equal to close, this is pop char, right? Pop char equal to this and CH is equal to this. See, again I will repeat what we are trying to do here. CH, let us take this example, let us copy this content. Okay, so let us put it here. See, first time I am running, this is my string expr or str. Okay, my str is equal to this string. For I equal to 0, okay, I less than string length, fine, satisfied. Take the str of 0, that is round bracket. So first time round bracket came here. Is it matching? Yes, it is matching. I am inserting into the stack. My stacks contain now, see, my stack contains stack top is equal to open bracket. Then that's it, no, nothing else will execute. It will again go back to I for loop. I becomes I plus plus. So now my I value is close bracket. Again CH contains close bracket. Is CH open? No. Else if CH is closed, yes. When it is closed, you do pop operation. What is the top stack? Open. This will be deleted. This will be deleted. That I am putting into a variable pop char. Now if that pop char is open and current CH is close, okay, then it is matching. So or this full I will put in again round bracket. This full I will put in round bracket because there are three symbols, no. Separately I am trying to put it here like this in round bracket. Again take this condition. Pop char equal to open flower and the character which I am reading is a close flower. Sorry, if it is a close flower, or again write or symbol, or anyone can be true, right? It need not be true for always, right? So if pop char equal to square bracket and the character currently I am reading is a closed square, oh sorry, closed square, right? If this is matching, what does it means? It means it is true. It means it is true, right? So I have to return here. Return maybe this is bool function, so I can return true. I can return true. Okay. So this is the logic inside this, right? So otherwise what will return? Otherwise what I have to do? Where is for loop closing? Yes, it is closing here. Otherwise you can return false. Okay, so let us execute this. I hope you understood what I have done here. Whenever I am iterating over the entire string, I am copying that into CH variable. If CH is open, push into the stack. If it is closed, then pop it and compare. After comparing, if it is all matching, you return true. Keep iterating it. If the entire string is properly matching, this bool function will return true. So when true comes here, it will say balanced, otherwise not balanced. I will write here return 0. We need not display here because I want to just check whether the string is matching or not. Let us execute this and see whether this works fine. Void push char, reference max is ambiguous. Why there are multiple max? I didn't give anything, right? Here I gave max. Okay, can we use this format hash define max 100? If I do this, again expected before token, what is a mistake here? Can I write max into top equal to -1, valid, open and close, valid, every statement I have ended it. Okay, no, something is missing. Okay, did we write anything like this? No, this should not be a problem. expected before the close, right. So in this we will try to see, just a second, I am checking this error, expected before token macro max minus 1. What is mistake here? Top max is given okay, did I have to include string.h, but that shouldn't be a problem. Expected close before token, just a second. So see the program, let's execute this and see whether it gives the proper output or not. Enter the expression. So let me give square open close, let us check this. See, the given expression is balanced. Let us give more complex one and see whether it evaluates it. So I will give round, then in flower I will use square, round open close this and close flower. See, the given expression is balanced. Now the negative one, let us give the incorrect string here. So let me give open and one close. See, oh, the expression is balanced, false. No, this is somewhere mistake, something is missing. One condition we missed to handle here. I think, yes, I remember. See, whenever you the stack is not empty, okay, after balancing, if the stack is not empty, then you have to say, right, it is false. Don't simply say it is written false directly or written true directly. You have to also check if the stack is not empty. After, see, this iteration, no, this will iterate over all the 4 elements. After that, what happened here in our example which I have taken something like this, round and this close I have taken. So this was inserted in stack, again second one was inserted in stack, third one is also inserted in stack. After that there is a close. So this gave a true and came out directly. That is wrong. So what is missing here? You also have to check if the string is empty. After doing everything, if the stack is empty, then you have to return true, otherwise return false. That one check we have to do, because in our case what happened, stack is not empty in this case. So let us add that condition also. How to know if the stack is empty or not? If top is less than 0, right, then return true, else return false. Now this will properly return it. So after doing the entire expression, if the top TOP, if it is less than 0, then I will say true, otherwise I will say false. Okay. So let me check this. So it gives the same expression. Again it is giving true. Something is missing. Top less than 0. Should I not give true here? Let us put flag. Some variable, I am just changing this to int, I am just putting flag 1, else flag equal to 0. I will declare a variable here, int flag equal to 0 initially. So if this is done, does this brings a change? Oh, by default it's always giving balanced expr. So I am sending the expression, it is received here, and then I am checking the length. If this is equal to str of I, let us resolve this. So here the change only was that we have included if top is less than 0 we made it, but the one change I made it, if the ch is not equal to this, then I am returning 0. Okay. So this is the logic, everything remains same, only thing we missed this part. If top is less than 0 we included return 1 and the other return 0. Okay. But in this case I am not checking for the positive case. If it is not equal, I am checking for the negative case, then I am returning return 0. Okay. So this is working fine now. Let us execute and see. So if I give the expression something balanced, it says balanced, but when I give some negative expression, maybe I can give open, 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 square, square, close, one only closed. See, the expression is not balanced. Okay. So, this is working fine. So, this is the logic for checking the balancing of symbol using stacks.